Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dino Hakim. Today I will explain the electricity system in Tunisia, a country located in North Africa. This presentation discuss how electricity is managed, the culture of electricity use, types of power plants, as well as the advantage and challenge faced by Tunisia in the energy sector. Electricity system in Tunisia and overview. Tunisia is a country located in North Africa, bordering the Mediterranean Sea and the Sahara Desert. Compared to many African countries, Tunisia has a relatively well-developed and stable electricity system. Electricity plays a crucial role in supporting daily life, industry, education, healthcare, and economic growth in the country. The national electricity sector in Tunisia is mainly managed by a state-owned company called STG, Société Tunisienne de l'Électricité du Gaz. This company is responsible for electricity generation, transmission, and distribution across the country. Because the system is centrally managed, the government has strong control over energy planning, pricing, and infrastructure development. Today, electricity access in Tunisia covers almost the entire population, especially in urban areas, making it one of the countries with a high electrification rate in Africa. Electricity culture and consumption habits in Tunisia. The culture of electricity use in Tunisia is strongly influenced by its Mediterranean climate. Electricity demand increase significantly during the summer season due to high temperatures. Air conditioner, refrigerators, fans, and cooling system are widely used, especially in cities and coastal areas. Electricity consumption in Tunisia is regulated through a tiered tariff system. This means that more electricity people use, the higher the cost per unit becomes. As a result, many households are encouraged to use electricity more efficiently and avoid unnecessary consumption. In recent years, awareness of energy efficiency and renewable energy has increased. Solar water heaters and photovoltaic panels are becoming more common, particularly in government buildings, industries, and middle-income households. This reflects a gradual shift in public mindset toward sustainable energy use. Source and types of power plant in Tunisia. The electricity generation system in Tunisia is still largely depend on natural gas, which is the main energy source for power plants. Natural gas is used because it is relatively efficient, flexible, and produce lower emission compared to coal. Several types of power plants operate in Tunisia. First, gas power plants. Power plants are the backbone of Tunisia electricity generation. These plants can produce large amount of electricity and respond quickly to change in demand, making them suitable for both industrial and residential needs. Steam power plants. Some power plants operate using steam turbines powered by natural gas, although they are more traditional. they still play an important role providing base load electricity, solar power plants. Next, solar power plants. Tunisia has a very high solar potential due to long hours of sunshine throughout the year. Solar power plants are being developed as part of the national strategy to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Next, wind power plants. Wind energy is mainly developed in coastal and elevated areas where wind speeds are stable. Wind power contributes to the diversification of Tunisia energy mix. Transmission and distribution system. Electricity generated from power plant is transmitted through high voltage transmission lines to substation. From there, the voltage is reduced and distributed to residential, commercial, and industrial user. Tunisia is also interconnected with neighboring countries such as Algeria, allowing cross-border electricity exchange. This interconnection improves grid stability and helps manage peak demand periods. Although power outages can still occur, especially during extreme summer demand, they are generally short and less frequent compared to many other African countries. Advantage of electricity system in Tunisia. One major advantage is the high electrification rate, which supports social development and economic activities across the country. Another advantage is the centralized management system, which allows better planning, maintenance, and regulation of electricity supply. Tunisia also has strong renewable energy potential, particularly solar and wind energy, which provides a solid foundation for future sustainable development. In addition, the overall stability of the electricity grid is relatively good, making Tunisia one of the more reliable electricity system in the Africa region. Disadvantage and challenge. Despite its strengths, Tunisia electricity system faces several challenges. The first challenge is high dependence on natural gas. Any disruption in gas supply or increase in global gas price can directly affect electricity production. The second challenge is the high cost of renewable energy infrastructure, where solar and wind energy are promising large initial investment and advanced technology are required. Another issue is peak electricity demand during summer, driven mainly by air condition use, which puts pressure on the grid. Lastly, there are environmental concerns as fossil fuel-based power generation still contributes to carbon emission. Future direction of electricity in Tunisia. Tunisia aims to increase the share of the renewable energy in its national energy mix. Government policies encourage private investment, internal cooperation, and technological innovation in the energy sector. The country is also moving toward digital electricity system, such as smart grids and smart meters, to improve efficiency, monitoring, and energy management. With these efforts, Tunisia is gradually transitioning toward a cleaner, more resilient, and sustainable electricity system. Conclusion. In conclusion, Tunisia electricity system shows that African countries can develop stable and modern energy infrastructure with proper planning and research management. While challenges remain, Tunisia's commitment to renewable energy and efficiency provides a positive outlook for the future. If electricity is the backbone of modern life, Tunisia is working to ensure that this backbone remains strong, reliable, and sustainable for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.